Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.
Stranded outside in extreme cold, without a way to protect yourself from cold, wet, harsh weather, and stop your core body temperature from dropping, you will quickly become hypothermic, and you're facing a life or death survival situation. One that causes more deaths each year than every other survival situation combined. Go Time Gear's Life Tent is a waterproof and windproof 2-person emergency shelter that will protect you from harsh weather and keep you alive. The Life Tent is constructed of extra thick, tear and puncture resistant material that locks out rain, wind, and snow. Unlike an ordinary tube tent, the Life Tent's reflective interior reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and protecting you from hypothermia. Setting up the Life Tent is quick and easy so you can rapidly protect yourself in an emergency. Simply run the 20-foot rope of 550-pound nylon core paracord through both ends of the tent and tie it between 2 trees or sturdy objects 3 to 4 feet off the ground. Anchor the corners of the tent using rocks or gear and climb inside to safety. If there's nowhere for you to tie the paracord rope and prop up your tube tent, there's no need to panic. The Life Tent can also be used as an emergency sleeping bag or blanket. The Life Tent comes rolled up inside of a nylon stuff sack that includes our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring, combining 9-strand nylon core 550-pound paracord and a thunderous 120 decibel survival whistle that's powerful enough to cut through strong wind and trees, alerting rescuers up to 1 mile away. You'll have an emergency-ready survival tube tent with a powerful signaling whistle, so you have the essential tools to stay alive and signal for help. Even though the Life Tent is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 8.7 ounces, it's durable enough for dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it back up, and slide it into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add a lightweight emergency shelter to your hiking, camping, or hunting bag for an unplanned night outside, or you need a tough, reliable survival tube tent for your bug-out bag or emergency preparedness supplies, the Go Time Gear Life Tent is engineered to keep you alive in the most extreme survival situations and is the survival shelter for you.
head off to your next big adventure. Don't forget to pack your essential camping hammock by Sunyear. Protect yourself from mosquitoes and creepy bug crawlers in the night with a hammock built with your safety and enjoyment in mind. Installation is simple. First, find a sturdy place to hang the hammock. Next, open the ultralight bag and unfold. Now attach the included carabiners to the straps. Use the rope to hold the mosquito net. And that's it. Simply lay down and enjoy bug-free comfort. Sunyear hammocks are strong, built to last, and ideal for fun adventures like camping, hiking, backpacking, and more. They come in 2 convenient sizes. One, a large convenient size, which make these hanging hammocks great for more than one person. They also come in various color variations. Camping hammocks by Sunyear.